Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your app language into your Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the app language into your Trust Wallet, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application. And after opening the Trust Wallet, just simply unlock the application. Now, it will open this home page for you. Now you just simply have to select the gear button into the top left corner. Tap to gear button and then you will get a bunch of options into here. Now you just simply have to select this preferences option right here. Tap to preferences and then you will get the app language option into here directly. Tap to app language and then you can select any of the suitable language from this languages section. Simply select any other language that you would like to change and it will successfully be changed into your Trust Wallet. This way, you can easily change your language in your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.